Hello students, I am Dr. Nidhi Mishra, Assistant Professor English, Govind Sarang Government Law College, Bhatapara. And today's topic for the lecture is foreign words and phrases. Now let's begin this lecture with the alphabet A. Ab initio, that means from the beginning. Ab origin, from the origin. Addenda, list of additions. Ad infinitum, to infinity. Ad hoc, that means a body elected or appointed for specific purpose. Alma mater, a school or college which one has attended. A la mode, according to the fashion. Alter ego, the other self. Anno Domini, in the year of our Lord. What we write in short form, it is AD. Then anti-meridium, before noon, the short form is AM. A prion, from cause to effect. Apropos, with reference to. Of fate, expert. Avant propos, preliminary matter or preface. Then beta noir, a special disliking. Bizarre, that means strange. Bon voyage, have a good journey. A la carte, as given in the menu. Then bona fides, here it means good faith. Then next word is bona fide. Please mark, the upper one is fides, S, and the lower is this bona fide, S is here missing. So the meaning also changes, it becomes genuine. Then chef d'oeuvre, that means masterpiece. Then corrigenda, a thing to be corrected. Then coup, violent change in government. Debacle, disaster. De facto, that means actual or in reality. Then de jure, from the law. Then de novo, a new or again. Then dramatis personae, that means characters in a play or a novel. Then elite, the best part. Then entrepreneur, a person who sets up a business. Then en masse, all together. En rapport, in harmony. En route, on the way. Entourage, group of people with a dignitary. Then errata, list of errors. Then etc., the short form is etc, and the rest ex officio, by virtue of a person's office or status. Then expose, a report in media revealing something. Then fait accompli, a thing already done. Faux pas, please remember this is a French word and X here is silent and in pas here S is silent. So we will pronounce it as faux pas, that means a social blunder. Then ibidem, in the same thing. Impasse, a deadlock. Then inter alia, among other things. Then in toto, entirely or as a whole. Then ipso facto, virtually. Then laissez-faire, a policy of non-interference. Magnum opus, a great work. Mala fide, in bad faith. Then mala apropos, in ill-timed or inappropriately. Then modus operandi, a way of doing something. Then mutatis mutandis, that means with the necessary changes. Then nouveau riche, here in S is silent in riche, people who have become rich lately. Then par excellence, better than the others of the same kind. Then per se, by itself. Post mortem, examination made after death. Pro forma, a standard document or form. then pro rata, according to rate or proportion, then protege, one under protection or guidance, then raison d'etre, the most important reason for existence, then resume, a summary, then sine die, without a day being fixed, status quo, the existing condition, stet, let it stand, tete a tete, that means private or confidential, then tour de force, a notable feat of strength or skill, then ultra virus, beyond one's authority, then last second word is verbatim, word for word, then last word is vice versa, conversely. So these are the important foreign terms and phrases which we should remember, and if you want to add any more, then you can also study few more of them. And thank you.